Superchargers, TTS. Different sizes of pulleys that you can get. Obviously, to get this is a 3094 supercharger, and I'll be running the engine maxing out at around about 8,500 RPM. So the diameter of that is quite important, so you don't over rev this over the 100,000 RPM that it's recommended in the techie bits of the books. Anyway, so that's now got 105 mil on, and as you can see, 4 holes, centre bolt. You can use a strap around it, something like an oil filter strap, or to hold it, you know, to tighten the centre bolt up. I made this, and it's quite simple. Some cap heads, drill through, obviously the right centres, and the hole in the middle is to let the Allen key, which I've just lost, there it is, allow that to go through, so you can actually tighten it up. So if you want to make one, come out, there you go, that's all it is. Just a bit of bar, drill till holes in, put the bolts in. Can't remember what diameter these are actually, look like M6s. Anyway, put them in, tack them on the back, drill your hole, and that gives you that.